Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. We recently brought three channel power supply which is from Rigol DP832. Today I am going to show you how to program this power supply using LabVIEW for some basic applications. So as you can see that it has simple USB connection that can can help in communication with computer. I'm connecting it here and switching it on. Okay, so for the programming part, I'm going to share my screen. Let's see how to program it.
Okay, so now I start programming this instrument. So the first thing I will like to do is just to see if I can communicate with instrument or not. So for this I will use Visa, Visa write, Visa read, and also I will use Visa open and Visa close. Okay. I have already shown this process in many of my videos. Okay, so it's done now. Uh, since I have already connected my instrument, so it should be displayed here. So here is my instrument. And I will run this program. So as you can see, there is information about my instrument that I have connected. So it means that it is functioning very good with my computer. So I can write other commands for programming. So I have listed few commands for uh, this instrument. If you see its instrument manual, then you will find these commands in programming section. So it's Rigol DP832. It has three channels, and channel has named this much. And if you want to measure voltage, then you have to use this command. And if you want to measure current, then you have to use this current measurement command. For setting an output voltage or current, you can use this command. Like I have set here 0.5 volt. If you want to set current, then you have to use CURR, like it is done here. And after all the experiment, you have to turn off output. Then you have to set output voltage 0 and channel output off. So we can replace this channel 1, channel 2, channel 3. So let us see how we do it. Okay. Now I will replace this IDM from some command like so. It is done here, and then I have to give some command for reading. So I will just copy paste this visa from here. And here I will put command for uh, reading. So that is MEES and then question mark. And then I have to set something for closing this operation. Again, I will copy this visa and the same thing will go here. Just I will set this voltage value to 0 and this output off. So let us check what happens. So according to the program, I have given uh, first I have given input of 0.5 volt to channel 1, and then I want to read its return, and then again I will turn off its output, and then we will see the value. So let us see. I will highlight this execution so that I can see whether there is any error or not. Uh, I can make this process a bit slow, like not here. Let's check. So it is working perfectly fine, and I have some result of voltage here. Okay. Since I have given some voltage of 0.5 volt, but it is showing uh, 0.51. Maybe this is error. I don't know much about it. Maybe if someone knows, then uh, I will be happy if you explain this for me. So this is how we can program for this instrument for our work. Like if you want to measure current, then definitely you have to use CU and then question mark, and then it will read current for channel 1. Let us see, there is a point 2, there is a 2 milliampere current. Same can be done for other channels also, like if you want to measure something for channel 2, then you have to replace this channel 2 and here channel 2, 2 and 2. Let us see, let us give 1 volt. Okay. 1.0. So here we have, I do not have any current because I haven't connected anything with channel, so I cannot measure current. I can measure voltage, like uh, if if I remove this CURR from here, then definitely there will be some reading for voltage. That once again I try. So here you can see there is some voltage. So this is how we can give voltage or current command to this instrument and read its output. So it has three channels and it can be used simultaneously. So that's all about this instrument from my side. Thanks for watching.